I've seen images of like, this is what a chicken looked like in 1940. Kind of athletic looking. And now like modern chickens, they look like, there is a different, as like a Pomeranian, one of these like French bulldogs, grossly overweight and like its legs are barely supporting it.
Yeah. One of the things that happened when we first got factory farming was the chicken industry split in two. So it used to be that chickens were raised in backyards of small farms and they would eat food scrap and then they would lay eggs. Whereas when the industry started to factory farm and industrialize, they developed on the one hand hens hyper optimized for laying eggs. Very scrawny. They just produce eggs, they don't eat very much. The problem on that side was it left a whole bunch of male chicks who could no longer be raised for their meat because they were far too scrawny. And so those male chicks get killed the first day of their life, and that's about 8 billion chicks a year. On the other side, the broiler chicken industry, the meat chicken industry, developed these birds that grow incredibly fast. And there's nothing inherently wrong with that if they had developed them in a balanced way. But in reality, the only parts of the chicken they wanted to grow fast were the highest value parts of the chicken. So they grew the breast meat incredibly fast. The legs, which are not very valuable, they did not grow fast. And the internal organs, which are not very valuable, they did not grow fast. And so you get these birds, their legs start to collapse underneath them, their internal organs, like their lungs, start to no longer be able to support their body. By 5 to 6 weeks of age, struggling just to stay alive.